how to do Alibaba private label products, and how you can contact suppliers. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can contact suppliers and sell your own products. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to alibaba.com, and once you're over here, just simply search for different products. So basically what you want to do is just search for a product that you want to sell and you want to contact that supplier as well. So search for a product that you want. So let's just search for watches. We're gonna search for some watches over here. So as you can see, these are some wristwatches over here. These are watches as well. What I want is a cool tactical wristwatch. So I'm gonna type in tactical watch, tactical military watches. So let's just see what comes up. So these are the products that's come up when I search for it. So these are pretty cool watches, but I think this one looks more tactical, more military stylish, the one that we want. So I think this is pretty cool. And another thing that I want you guys to notice is just simply check out the prices that the supplier has listed on. And also what I want you guys to do is search for the verified supplier. So you can just choose the verified supplier so that you can find a supplier that is trustworthy and that has been working on Alibaba for a long time. So check this box over here on the left side. And once you do that, all the suppliers that come up over here are going to be verified. So simply just choose the product that you want. So I'm going to choose this product right here. I think this one looks pretty cool. But remember, you also have to check out the pieces as well. Basically check out how many they have in stocks. So I'm going to simply choose this product over here. And once I choose that, as you can see, this is how it looks like. We can see that we have different colors. We have a red color, we have a blue color one as well, and we have a black colored one. I think the black one looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So next thing that I want you guys to do is just simply come down over here, and what I want you guys to do is take a look at the details so that you guys can know what type of product it is. So as you can see over here, the quantity slash pieces, so 1 to 500, and they have to have a greater number, more than 500. So estimated time is 7 days if you order 1 to 500 pieces, but if you order more than 500 pieces, then the time will be negotiated. So you have to take a look at that one as well. And if we scroll down below, we will see all the functionalities of the watch and stuff like that, and we can see how these are produced. Over here are some images, the warehouse and how they are produced, and it all looks pretty legit, I'm not gonna lie. So now all that's left for us to do is just simply contact the supplier. So what you want to do is just come over here on the right side and you want to contact the supplier. But before that, you have to sign in onto alibaba.com. So if you have an account, simply sign in, but if you don't, you can just simply continue with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. So now that I have signed in, now I can go ahead and contact my supplier. So I'm going to click on contact supplier. So what I want you guys to do is just simply fill out this form page over here. So you can choose which type of case material you want. So you have alloy, acrylic, bamboo, brass, plastic, rubber, and titanium, tungsten steel, and customizable as well. So if you want to go fully custom and original, you can just go ahead and choose the customize option. Let's just choose tungsten steel as of right now. And then for the features, you can see we have alarm, anti-magnet, auto date, and compass, complete calendar, diver, and stuff like that. So we have a lot of different options over here that we can choose from. So let's just choose a function that is pretty easy and useful. So let's just choose a tachymeter because that's pretty cool, I think. And then we have the movement band. So now over here we can choose the movement of this watch. So again, a Beijing, Casio, ETA, Miyota, Seiko, and other Chinese or Asian companies. So I'm going to choose Casio for now because I think Casio is pretty cool. Have a Casio watch as well. It's pretty nice actually, not gonna lie. So next thing that I want you guys to do is just enter the details such as the color, material, and other type of stuff. So what you can do right here is just simply write in all the details that you want to get from your supplier. So I've already prepared a template for that as you can see over here. So I'm just simply going to copy this, and over here back over at the inquiry section, just simply going to go ahead and paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter in my name over here. And then what I want you guys to do is just simply enter in the name of your company if you have one. So I'm just going to write a random name over here, and I'm interested in this product you are supplying and want to learn more about manufacturing this product for my business. I am looking forward to placing an order and establishing a business relationship with you. If this product meets my criteria, can you please provide me with some additional information regarding this product? So as you can see, we're kind of talking with the person and telling them that we are interested and we want to buy this product. And then down below, I have also added some questions. Do you provide custom packaging and logos? Am I able to customize this product, such as color, size, material? Do you print labels and insert cards as well? And do you increase MOQ for customization? MOQ is basically the rates that you want, that the supplier is asking you for, and what is the price per unit of the following MOQs. And over here we are asking for prices of 100 pieces, 500 pieces, and 1000 pieces. And then down below we are also asking, and do you do air/sea shipping, or are you able to ship my product directly at my address, and many more. And then down below, this is optional if you want to have it. So what this is basically, I have also attached a provided image below to demonstrate what customization I would need for this product. Please let me know if these customizations are possible. So what I want you guys to do, if you have a image of your customization of the images that you want, you can just go ahead and simply attach that image over here. But as you can see, I don't have one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this section right over here. Gonna go ahead and remove it. And then down below, what I want you guys to do is just simply enter in your name and then enter in the name of your business from Continuum. So that is basically it. So this is the WeChat. So over here, you can add in your contact information. So if you want, you can just simply add in your email over here, your WhatsApp number over here, and your WeChat if you have one. Because China uses WeChat, that's their only social media account. It's basically an all-in-one application where you got all the messaging and services available in just single application. So if you have a WeChat, go ahead and contact them over there. I think that would be pretty good because that's what they do. And then once you have written everything that you want, then you could just simply go ahead and send the inquiry. And once you have sent that, then you just have to wait for the seller to contact you and tell you all the details that you have asked them for. So now what I want you guys to do is come over back to Alibaba. So another tip that I have for you guys is that you have to contact as many suppliers as you want. Don't just limit yourself to just a single supplier or a supplier from a single country. Contact as many suppliers as you can, because if you have more suppliers, you have a higher chance of being successful than just with a single supplier. So make sure you get that, because guys, anything can happen. Like, but what if the supplier doesn't want to work with you anymore? Maybe some other thing happened, maybe he's sick and he is unable to work. That is why you should have more suppliers of the same product, because that way it'll be like having a backup. Let's just assume that one supplier is injured or something like that, or his warehouse burnt down, which I hope doesn't happen to anyone, because that would be really bad for business, for you guys and the supplier as well. But let's just assume that this happens. So what will you do? Because of his warehouse burning down, your supply chain has been cut and you can't produce more product, and that means that you can't sell more products, which means that you can't earn money, and your customers are waiting and their shipment is getting late, and that's why it's bad for business. So make sure you have more than one supplier as a backup, because that is the most safest route that you could possibly take. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.